Hi, today I'm Friday with POCO C50 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should tap to manage accounts on this device and tap to Google section. Just to remove this account, we should click to more, click remove account and confirm our action. If you use some production methods on your device, you should verify that it's you by using the fingerprint, the pattern PIN codes or passcodes. Now in Google accounts settings, we successfully log out from the Gmail account, so let's go back to the application, and in application we can see that we successfully also log out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.